HVAC businesses are out there crushing it right now on Google, and you're sitting there stuck looking at this. Watch this video right now. We're going to show you exactly how to verify your business so you can finally start getting customers inside your doors organically right there from your Google business profile. Before we even start our video verification, first we need to prepare a couple of things. One of the things that we need to do is we need to get in our office. You should have an office area that you can do this video verification at, but we'll go in our office. We need to get some of our business credentials set up and ready. So a CP 575 is a great thing to utilize for this purpose. That is your EIN documents for the business. It should show all of your information exactly like it is. So your actual address that you're trying to verify, all of your documents for your business need to have these same credentials. So you get maybe even your mechanical contractor's license, something like that. You'll have it out sitting on your desk. Get some business cards out on your desk. You need a utility bill or two out on your desk. And this utility bill should use your business name and address. But if you don't have that available, it's possible to use your personal name as long as it is also on your business documents. So once you get all this set up, it's good to even get your computer pulled up on a CRM or something like that you use. Like if you use House Call Pro, Service Titan, et cetera, go ahead and pull that up to show your softwares or whatever that you actually utilize in your business. And this will help further verify your legitimacy and make sure that you can start getting customers in through your Google Business Profile. So as you can see here, what I've got is I've actually got it set up already. I've got my business card sitting out here. I've got a dirty CP 575 that shows my business address, my name, etc. This doesn't really work, but it is a piece of mail that shows my name and my address. I prefer that you actually use a utility bill, something that's more tied to your business location and address. But I just put that out there because it was just happened to be what I had. So I've got this sitting out here, and then I'm going to go ahead and show this is our upwound system. This is what we use to get our customers for marketing for our customers and whatnot. So anyways, that's pretty much it in here. So we're going to cut from here, and we're going to go ahead and go out to the street where the mailbox is, and we're going to pick up from there, and we're going to show you the exact verification that you're going to do. And it's all going to culminate and end right here in the office. All right, from here on, this is going to be the verification video that you're basically going to upload. I'm going to talk you through just a couple of these portions, but pretty much this is going to be your video. All right, I am Mark. I am the CEO of Upward Bound Media. We are located at 7000 West 9th Street. You can see we have residential neighbors both to the east and to the west. And then this right here is 9th Street. So I'm going to go ahead and start walking back. We've got a long driveway to our office here, but we serve our customers. We do go out to our local customers and meet them at their place of business. So here is one of our work vehicles. Just pretend that I went over there, I unlocked the vehicle with my keys that were in my hand, and then I looked in the back seat or wherever and showed the tools of the trade, whatever, what have you, and showed the label on the outside. You would also need to show, if you are doing an office that has a location, you'd need to show like some permanent signage on the side of the house, or then like out there at the street. Just to show that you are a legitimate business, you need to have permanent signage. So here, as we're going into the office, I would show that I do have the ability to unlock the door. I'm not going to do that right now, but you do need to show kind of that you have the ability to unlock the door. Okay, You don't want anybody else in these videos. You want only you as the business owner. But to cut right back into the video verification here, 3, 2, 1, we're back on the video verification. Okay. All right. So now we're back in the office, and here you can see we have our Upward Bound Media, and then that's me, Mark Cantrell. I'm the CEO of Upward Bound Media. That's our business card. Here is our EIN document, our CP575. As you can see, that it's Mark Cantrell again, Upward Bound Media LLC, 7000 West 9th Street. Here's just a little bit of mail that we got that also shows Mark Cantrell, 7000 West 9th Street. And then for Upward Bound Media, one of the main things that we use is this Upwound software right here for our customers. Anyway, hopefully this gets us verified. And that's pretty much all that you need to do to get your business verified as well. If you're having issues with this, leave a comment down below, and I'll try to answer any of your questions that you may be having or any of the problems that you're having with submitting your video verification. Most of the time, your issues can be solved by either making a shorter video or reducing the quality in which you are recording the video so that it becomes a smaller file in general. Another one of the things is always try to record this video directly from your Google Business profile. So get in on your phone, go to your Google Business profile, click verify, get verified, and then follow those steps with this phone and record directly from the internet. Don't try to upload a previously recorded video. Also, you do not want to make any edits or cuts to the video. It needs to be one continuous video from start to finish, and just keep retrying and re-recording it until you get it down to a science, basically. So it might take 3 or 4 tries for you to get a video that's ready to upload. But once you do, it'll all be worth it shortly. Make sure that you follow along and you watch this video over here, because once you're verified, now you need to figure out how to get customers into your business, and we'll show you how. We'll see you there.